Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching today's video. In this video, I'm gonna show you this super easy 5-minute eye makeup look, which is also hooded eye proof. So I can't wait for you guys to see this video. And we're just gonna dive right into it. Now the first thing I'm gonna do is prime the eyelids like always. No matter what kind of eye look I'm creating, I will always prime my eyelids first. Today I used a different one than I normally do. This one is actually by Hindash. I will put all the details of the products I'm using in the description bar, but this is a really nice one. It's perfect for either dry skin or oily skin. Then I went in with this creamy eyeshadow pencil, which is from Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's this kind of like violet shade, super pretty, and it's super easy to apply as well. I do have to mention you need to be quick with this. Right after applying, you want to blend it out right away, because once it's like set in place, it's not gonna budge, which is nice, especially if you tend to have like oily skin. It's nice because your eyeshadow will not go anywhere, but with the application, you need to be a bit more quick. So just quickly apply it and then smudge it out with a brush. Even though you have to work quick, but it most of the time is the case with all creamy eyeshadows like this. I do feel like this one is actually really easy to use. You can always add more, and it didn't like start to become a weird texture or something. It was really easy to use, and you can easily layer it as well without having like weird texture coming. So yeah. I kind of use like a flat brush and kind of like smearing it downwards. And then after I feel like everything is kind of like smeared out, then I will use a clean brush and blend around the edges to make it look more soft. But just take your time with this. This is kind of like the base product for this whole eyelid look. I will go on with an eyeshadow on top of this, which is optional. You don't have to do that. But if you focus on making this look good, your eyeshadow look is completed. That's how easy it is. So this is that clean brush that I was talking about. It's the Sigma E25 brush. It's kind of more like a flat blending brush, which is perfect for this step in particular. And I'm just continuing to like focus on the outer portion and just making it look more soft and soft. You can always add more product and just kind of like apply it directly onto the brush if you feel like you need a little bit more. But yeah, with how it was looking right now, I was happy, and now it was time for the next step, which was that eyeshadow that I'm gonna pop in the inner part of the eyelid. Now you can use any eyeshadow if you're recreating this, like a golden would also be super pretty, but I used this palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I went in with this kind of like pinkish shade, which is called Supernova. I feel like it is kind of like a pinkish purple golden. I don't know, it's a beautiful shade. You can see how pigmented it is. Actually, all the eyeshadows in this palette are really good. But I just felt like this eye look just needed a little bit of extra, if you know what I mean. So just kind of like packing this all over the eyelid until I was happy with how shimmery my eyelid was looking. Then now for the next step, we're actually gonna get right into mascara, because we're not gonna do anything on the lower lash line. We're really keeping it as simple as possible, because as you might have seen in the title, this is a 5-minute look, so not too complicated. It has to be super easy and beginner friendly. So I'm using this mascara, which is from Lancome. It's the Hypnôse mascara, which I personally really like. I think it's one of my kind of mascaras where I go back to constantly. There are a few mascaras that I really like, but this is definitely in my top 5 list. Let me know what your favorite mascara is. Like, is there any mascara that I need to try? Let me know. Then I popped on some false lashes, but this is of course optional. If you have some time left, this will definitely have a huge impact on the eye look. I feel like it always just adds a little bit extra. But yeah, of course, this is optional. But yeah, this is the finished result. I really hope you all liked this quick 5-minute look. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and hopefully I will see you all in the next one. Bye guys!